Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2012 Holden Barina, stock number 7099. Strength on the 9th 2011 to the 12th 2018. Estimate 16 D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 16 D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel factory alloy tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dent, right front guard, right front 15-inch factory alloy tyre, right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, your front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.